copy paper for mine, which I kind of regret. I would say use cardstock for it, because when it's cutting it, it can get like kind of like dented and things like that. So some of the pages are messed up, but we're gonna fix that. We're gonna kind of make them look way better than they do. Then I'm gonna take some of my twine and I'm gonna use this to make the binding part of it. And I'm also thinking that I might add some sequins to that as well. So got my sequins. I got this at Dollar Tree. I also got this container at Dollar Tree as well. Okay, so now I'm just going to organize the book however I want. I want to kind of separate it, and I'm going to trim any like pages that are like, I'm gonna trim off the parts that look like this. Just because, I mean, it's not gonna look even, it's for a child. It's fine. I'm trying to make each page a different color. So now I have all my pages trimmed, and we are going to take some twine and we're going to kind of bind the coloring book. So let's see. I have all these beautiful colors. I want to do kind of like a fun color. So maybe like this green might be nice. Green or yellow. Just a color that I normally wouldn't do, but at the same time I want these to go with it. So I have these pinks. I mean, maybe we'll do yellow. So I'm not sure if these will be able to fit through there, but we'll figure it out together. So we're gonna take our string. Oh, you can't even see what I'm doing. Okay, so we're gonna take our string and we're going to put it in through the first hole. And I'm gonna leave quite a bit because I want to make room for the sequences. And then I'm gonna make sure that my book is so nicely aligned. And then I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna make a knot. And I want my knot to be tight, but not too tight, because I still want to be able to turn my pages. So I'm gonna make it a little tight, but not too tight. Then I'm gonna just double knot that. So then I'm just gonna kind of cut out a big part of the twine and cut out the rest of my twine. And I'm gonna take it to the second hole. You know what? I'm gonna do it through the back of it. So bring it in through the back. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, so I'm bringing it in through the front. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Bring it in through the front. I kind of like the look of it like this. See how the twine is right there. So I'm gonna do the same thing I did before. Make sure it's lined up. And then I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna put it underneath this piece. And I'm gonna pull it through. And I'm gonna take it and I'm going to just knot it. Just create like a little knot at the end. Have like a little handle here. Okay, so just to make sure we can still turn our pages. Okay, so I'm gonna take our sequins and I'm just gonna fold the string like this to see if I can get it inside these tiny little holes. So once I am done, I am just going to cut. I'm gonna leave a little bit and then I'm gonna cut the tip of the twine, and that's it. You have yourself. And you can use some wooden beads from Dollar Tree. They have like really colorful ones that would be really cute here. Can also probably just put some here too maybe, but that might make it a little bumpier right here when you open up. So this is how the coloring book looks. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Eden is going to love this coloring book so much. It is so cute, so quick, so simple to create. And your kids, it's a nice little craft for your kids in this time of quarantine. So if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit the bell notification button so you be notified every time I upload. Don't forget to subscribe, join my YouTube fam. We're on our way to 300 subscribers. I love you guys. And let me know down below what other videos you want me to do, what kid DIYs you want me to do, what things about Cricut do you want to learn, and yeah, just non-Cricut DIYs. Let me know down below. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.